Howdy everyone, Lance with Cruisin. We are out here at the Wendover Nugget. This is the infamous Lucky Hallway picture. We are here at room 302. Let's go in. You walk in, right off the bat, you're looking at yourself. Could be scary, could be friendly, you never know. Looks like we got a nice little kitchenette here. We got the fridge. We got us a sink. Got cards up here on the wall. Couple of little seats here for the stool or for the bar, I guess. We got an outside balcony. Let's take a look. And no table or chairs. But look, we could jump the railing and we could have some fun. We could walk around on top of everybody right now. Across the street there is the Montego Bay. And there's the Wendover Nugget sign. Right there. Hey. Zoomed out. We're looking to the east right here. So we'll be able to see the sunrise. We'll be able to see the moonrise. Now, back inside, we got a nice little couch going on here. We got us a TV. We got Lucky Jules over in the corner.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, yeah, something right there.
Decoration of some kind.
Yeah, decoration. Then we go in here to the master bedroom. Looks like right here we have a closet. Extra pillow, extra blanket, ironing, and look, a safe. And then there's a router up there, of course. And we are a big deal. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look what the host did for us. We are a big deal. Got the bed right here. Got us another nice, big, huge TV that you can see Big Deal in the background. The reflection. Got a nice little area here that, you know, with the curtain. Of course, that's going to be closed because we don't want to look over there at the Nugget. Or I mean at the Montego Bay. Over here. Let's move over here. You got nice outlets. You got 3 standard 110 volt. 2 USBs. There's a clock. Nice picture. Back around. Hopefully you don't get dizzy. Another nightstand over here on the other side with the phone. And then you got the loo. Got a nice little counter space here. Nice lights. Got a little bit of hand soap over here. Actually, that's lotion. Head and body lotion. Then you've got showers. There's 1. There's 2 showers. Hey, got a nice little bench right here inside the shower. Of course, you got your stuff. But there's a head. There's a shower head. Looks like a rainfall. Then you got a little other one, handheld one. Got a nice little towels going on, and then of course the loo. There is the toilet. Do the toilet check. Hey, clean. Hey, we like that. Of course, like I said, there's a mirror for getting ready. personal mirror for you ladies that need that, with a towel hanging off of it so you can wipe your stuff off. Yeah, my face. Scary. But, yep, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this room. Room 302. 3rd floor, Wendover Nugget. West Wendover, Nevada. If you enjoy, book you a room. And we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everyone.